In this video, I'll be demoing our free project budget tracker, which is part of our ongoing series of free standalone tools designed to make your job easier. No login required, no strings attached. You can generate and share PDF reports with your team in one click, and your data never leaves your browser. Let's dive in.
The tool was built for project managers and team leads who need a fast, clear view of where money is going, without the overhead of enterprise software. You get real-time estimated versus actual cost tracking, automatic at-risk alerts when something goes over budget, a visual allocation chart, and one-click PDF or CSV exports. And because everything runs in your browser, your financial data never leaves your device. First, open the Project Manager dropdown and hit New Project. Give it a descriptive name, something like Q3 Website Redesign. You can manage up to 20 separate projects in here, so name them clearly. Next, click Add Category to break your budget into logical groups, things like personnel, software, marketing, or infrastructure. Don't throw everything into one bucket. The more specific you are here, the easier it is to spot problems later. Inside each category, click Add Item. For every item, enter three things: the name, the estimated cost, and the actual cost, which is what you've spent so far. You can leave the actual cost at 0 and update it as invoices come in. Keep your item names specific. Front-end developer contract is a lot more useful than dev costs when you're reviewing things weeks later. At the top, you'll always see your live summary: total budget, total spent, remaining, and overall utilization as a percentage. Below that, the donut chart shows how your budget is split across categories. If one slice looks bigger than expected, that's worth a closer look. This is one of the most important features. The at-risk panel automatically flags any line item where actual spending has exceeded the estimate. When you need to share with stakeholders, hit Share View. It generates a read-only link that anyone can open without an account. Save that link somewhere safe as well, because your data lives in the browser's local storage, and that link acts as a permanent backup. For reporting, Export PDF gives you a clean, print-ready document, and Export CSV lets you pull the raw data into Excel or Google Sheets. That's all there is to it. Head to besync'd.com/tools/project-budget. The link is in the description, and you can have your first project budget set up in under 5 minutes. If this helped, subscribe for more free tools and project management tips. See you next time.